We all want to escape the 9 to 5, and to do so, we must find a way of earning an income outside of employment. So here are 5 side hustles that I use to escape the rat race personally as a fairly lazy guy, we could say, in my early 20s. Let's get into them. Okay, starting with number 1, property. Now, this is the only one that you are going to need a little bit of savings for, maybe a little bit of decent income to be able to get a mortgage. So between the ages of 16 and 18, I managed to save around about 9,000 English pounds. So this was just from a side job working at a coffee shop while I started studying after school. So me and my mate just went halves on a property, a super cheap property in England. Terrible, never want to live in it yourself, but great for an investment. We literally completely hands off, paid a builder, chucked him the keys, said, you know what, mate, just renovate this place. Bathroom, kitchen, we did the painting ourselves. So we did save a little bit of money there. And if you don't have a mate that you can go halves with on a cheap property, I recommend just checking out some social property groups. Like, you'll meet some great people there. And even if you don't really know what you're doing at the start, like, they've been there, they've done it. The people that are in these groups will give you the advice, they'll help you. People want to help each other. Okay, so number 2 on the list, you've heard of it already. It's going to be drop shipping. And this has some real potential to earn you some great money if done correctly. So for those of you who don't know, dropshipping is essentially just where you find a product that's already being sold online, and then essentially you just market it a lot better on your own website or through your own socials. Then essentially when somebody buys that product from you, you just send their details directly to the supplier, and the supplier ships it straight to the customer, and you just pocket the difference in between. So you sell it for a higher price than what you're buying it for, essentially. Pretty straightforward, but if you're good at marketing, it's a great way to earn an additional income. So to start, just head over to a site called AliExpress and shop for a product that has that wow factor, you know, something that really stands out to you. Once you found the product, use a tool called Google Keyword Planner to find something that has high searches with low competition. Once you find your great product with low competition, you just want to head over to Shopify or any of the other e-commerce building platforms and build yourself a website. Then you just want to use apps such as Oberlo to automate the buying, selling, and shipping process. Once the product is selected, website and automations are all set up, you just need to market the product on your social media to drive traffic to your website and start making sales. Okay, so number 3, this is going to be creating a digital ebook. So this one's great if you have a good Instagram following and a unique skill. All you want to do is head over to a program called Canva and select the A4 document option. From there, just go to templates and type in ebook. Find one that you like and start editing. Once done, you just want to export to a PDF, and you can then publish your ebook to programs such as Lulu and sell to your Instagram audience through your own personal brand marketing. Okay, so this next one's a match made in heaven, and it's using Fiverr to sell gigs that can be completed by ChatGPT. So Fiverr is essentially a program where people go to find online creators and services. So for example, a lot of people would go to Fiverr and type in blog writing to try and find somebody that is available to write a blog for them, maybe for their website. So all you need to do is head to Fiverr, create an account and set up a few gigs for copywriting jobs that we know can be completed not by ourselves but by ChatGPT. It can do it all for you. Anything copywriting, ChatGPT can do well. So this is honestly one of the easiest ones on the list. As long as you've got a good creative program such as Canva, so you can make yourself some nice thumbnails on Fiverr that people actually want to click on, then you'll do absolutely fine. People will click on your gigs, just as long as you give them great customer service. Head over to ChatGPT, let ChatGPT do the writing. You're hands off, just present it nicely to them in a nice A4 document at the end, send it over, you'll get paid. Happy days. Okay, so last one, this is social media management, and it's absolutely fantastic if you're either already on social media, you have a good social media following already, or you're just highly skilled in using Instagram and you're great at marketing. So all you want to do is just reach out to local business in your area, such as coffee shops or any independent retailers along the high street. Give them a sales pitch and say that you can manage their social media for a recurring monthly fee. Let them know about all the benefits of having a great social media, how it can attract more traffic to their store, more sales in the long run, and they'll absolutely bite your hand off. They'll definitely want to do it. Everybody needs good social media now. We're in 2023. If you don't have a good Instagram and you're a business, what are you doing? it's guaranteed you need it. Okay, so that's just 5 ways that I've personally tried and had a certain level of success with to make some money outside of my 9 to 5. Essentially, I really think it boils down to just trying enough different things until you find something that you're good at, because everybody's got something that they're good at, and any skill that you're good at in 2023, you can absolutely market and leverage online so that you don't have to be going into work every day, you don't have to be driving in rush hour, you don't have to be a slave making money for somebody else. Why would you make money for somebody else when you can make money for yourself with your own skills? So look, I would really recommend just make a start, maybe of one of these 5 points you might really resonate with. Research into the one that you want heavily, make sure you know what you're doing. But the most important thing is just give it a try. Just try, get out there. It doesn't matter if you fail. Everybody fails on something, but it's the winners that you always hear about. So just make a start. Take action, make a start, escape the 9 to 5, be your own boss. Good luck.